checked into my hotel in Bogota. So long story. So I crashed the drone in Mexico. Turns out shipping a drone from Canada to South America costs the same as a return flight. So I just went home. And so now I flew back. While I was doing that, my motorbike's getting a new set of tires. So I booked 2 nights at this hotel because my flight was coming in really early in the morning. And my plan was I was gonna get here and sleep and then go pick up the motorbike. Unfortunately, the pilot didn't make it through security last night. So they had to delay the flight. It was supposed to leave at like 1 in the morning and they delayed it until 7 in the morning. So I'm kind of wrecked and the bike shop closes at 5:30 and there's a ton of traffic. I need to go pick it up. Anyway, that's the update. Tomorrow I will be riding to meet York in Cali, but tonight it's just, I'm gonna go get the bike and just crash. Okay, we're back. We're reunited. Everything's looking good. Feels good. Actually feels really good. I was a little, I don't know, I was a little nervous about the whole thing. Okay, here we go. We're off. Gotta be careful with this new rear tire. Break that in a little bit. So I was home for, I don't know, 10 days or whatever. I don't think I slept well once. It was nice to sleep in my own bed, but very much I kept waking up being like, where am I? Where's the bike? Oh my God, oh my God. Anyway, so nice to be back, reunited. Tomorrow I keep going. And this is it. I got, probably about 2 months at least for the trip. Oh, I need to go get some sleep though. I've been up for way too long. Bogota's got some really interesting graffiti. It's just kind of everywhere. And it feels good to be back on the bike. I can't believe how much I missed it. I didn't realize how much I missed it. Yeah, that shop was great. Man, they had a ton of bikes in there too. I don't know if they're storing all of them or what, but the temperature is great. 19 degrees right now. It was getting pretty cold when I left Victoria. Just up here on the left. Dude, look at that chicken. Yeah. Curious as to what's going on with all this graffiti. It's working. I can look down from the motorbike right there. It's open up there. And I'm gonna go check out, there's a restaurant on the 8th floor apparently. Checking out, oh man, that hair. Checking out my hotel in Bogota. I was like, I'm gonna get up early, be on the road early. With all the delays and the lack of sleep, I slept hard right till 9. It's just after 10. So I was kind of hoping to be on the road a couple hours ago, but that's okay. It's saying like a 9-hour drive, but I'm also hearing that that's very conservative. All right, leg number 2 has begun. Heading to Cali to meet up with York. He's got a place he's been staying with a friend. So I think we're gonna stay there for a day or 2. But it does mean I'll be riding through the mountains today. This makes me laugh, the police, two to a bike. Never see that in North America. All these bikers. If I take even somewhat close to proper lane position, it just gets swamped. I don't know, these big cities are obviously a part of the trip, and they're kind of cool to come check out, but obviously riding around in them, not my favorite. I'm finally getting out to the city limits. Yeah, really, man, those buildings, like super nice buildings. Bogota's an intriguing city this way. It looks very modern. So here's a jackpot. I just found out today. Motorbikes are toll free. All right, we're doing it. I definitely feel like I'm right back in it. Guy just sitting on his phone riding on a motorbike. It's hard to believe that, like, yeah, 48 hours ago, it was, I don't know, 8 degrees. I was wearing, like, a down jacket. And I know I've traveled thousands of miles, but still, wow. Thought I was being risky with my pass. Dude. Roads in Colombia here, man. Wow. Thanks, buddy. Jeez. I swear, road laws are just like a suggestion here. These are some mountain roads. Trips like this, I know there's a bunch of people that are like, man, I'm trying to get as much dirt as possible. Try not to ride on pavement. I think I'm not having fun. Switchback after switchback. This is great. Been a good day of riding, a long one, but I only stopped the once. It's really cool. These clouds have just been like hanging out on those mountains like that, like a soft blanket, just a sheet draped over the mountain tops. I don't know. Ooh, that was a good one. Another good one. That one cloud has just been going off. Dude. Okay, I am, I hope, turning down the road right now. I think I can see you on the road. How's it going, buddy? Good to see you. Good to see you too?
Very good.
Oh, nice. That was a good ride today, actually. It was phenomenal. Hola. Está bien?
Oh, bien.
Blake, nice to meet you.
Hey,
Okay.
Sandra, hey. Hello. Hola. ¿Cómo?
Sandra, hola, yo soy Sandra.